Welcome to Queen Hotel.
Mabuhay, welcome to QNS Mini Hotel. May I know your name?
Santi?
Sir, may I assist you with your luggage? Sir, do you have a reservation?
Yes.
This way, sir, to the front desk after you.
Mabuhay! Welcome to Queen's Mini Hotel.
By the way, ma'am, sir, I'm Eman from the service department, and I'm here to assist you with your luggage and your assigned room.
May I know your name, ma'am? And her family?
Thank you.
Okay, Professor. Here's your ticket card. Thank you. Have a nice day.
By the way, ma'am, sir, my name is Eman from the service department, and I'm here to assist you with your luggage. Ma'am, may I borrow your room card key? Okay, ma'am, so your room number is room number 202, and it's located on the second floor. This way, ma'am, to the elevator. After you, ma'am. Thank you. Ma'am, sir, is this your first time staying here in the hotel?
Yes. Yes.
How is your flight?
It's good.
If you want to enjoy some fresh air, we have a lot of tourist spot on this station near our hotel. And if you want to go there, you can just call us and we will assist you to go there. So first, I would like to familiarize you with the facilities of our hotel. We have a fully equipped gym located on the second floor, and we have a restaurant that provides complimentary breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And we have another swimming pool. Sir, you are now here in front of your room. Room check. Room check. Okay, ma'am, sir, you may now enter the room. Okay, sir, ma'am, you can sit there. Ma'am, where would you like me to put your luggage?
Just put in there.
Okay, ma'am, so I would like to familiarize you to the features of your room. First, you have a closet here where you can put some of your things. Inside your closet, you have a safety deposit box where you can put your valuable things inside. And here is your comfort room. You have a toilet, bathtub, and a complete set of amenities. You can use hot and cold shower. And here is your television, and beside it is your remote and the telephone that you can use to call us. This room is fully air conditioned with the two types of bed, one queen size bed and one single bed. And you have some chairs and tables that you can sit when you want to relax. And here is your mini fridge. Inside your mini fridge, you have alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks. And here is some utensils that you can use. And beside your television is the menu of our hotel that you can use for your service. And beside it is the laundry service. And if you want to enjoy some entertainment, ma'am, we have a floating cottage down at our hotel and a minibar where you can order alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks. And if you want to enjoy our food, it is near the floating cottage. Okay, ma'am, I'm done sending you the pictures of your room. Do you need anything else?
Nothing. Thank
Okay,
you.
okay, ma'am. Here's your gift card key. And ever if you need further assistance, don't hesitate to call us. Thank you, ma'am, and enjoy your stay.
Bill service! Bill service! Good afternoon, ma'am, sir. I'm James Darrell. I'm from the Bill Service Department and I'm here to assist you. Okay, ma'am, are you done to pack your luggage?
Yes.
May I know if you check the closet and for the safety deposit box?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am, are you ready to go?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am, let's go and there's way. After you. Sir, how was your stay in our hotel?
It was nice.
Can you recommend our hotel on your relatives?
Yes.
If you need any information, ma'am, just visit our website, www.tulasminiature.com.ph. Sir, there is this way to the front desk. Good afternoon, Miss Angela. Our guest is going to check out.
May I have your bill card? Okay, sir and ma'am, thank you for staying in our hotel.
Okay, ma'am, sir, here's your luggage and thank you for staying here in our hotel and have a nice trip.
Thank you for staying in our hotel, ma'am, sir. And I hope to see you soon.
Ay,